everybody, it's Kathy here, and I thought I would come out to one of my favourite spots and do the weekly roundup. Hope you've had a great week, everybody. It has been another fast one, and unfortunately life just does not lend itself to crafting when I'm in the middle of a school term. So this week has been a very low layout output this week. So I am working hard on modifying and correcting, but as you can see, this weekend I'm enjoying, look at this, time out in the great outdoors here in Australia on the beach. One of my most absolute favorite places to be. So I will run you through the layouts and I will talk you through some of my adventures. And this weekend, as I said, I'm out at a friend's daughter's hens weekend, so not much crafting happening this weekend, but there will be a lot of creativity and a lot of memories, so I will share some of those as we move further into the video. Right now, let's look at what I created this week. So have you grabbed coffee? I've got mine. Let's get started. And looking, like I said, very poor week last week. 3 layouts, can you believe it? 3. Oh my gosh, it's so bad. How am I going to reach 365 at the end of the year if that's my layout output for a week? Not good enough. Need to get working. Anyway, this was a Scraplift Crafternoon. Had to use Amanda Leckie. It was on my Scraplift You tie-in as well. The bricks here. Photos of my departure with Anthem of the Seas. Yes, to the adventure. All right, I used Scrapbook Fantasies here. This is how this one's come together. Some smooching in here in the background. This is the video that you'll see how to make the smooching tool. So if you haven't done it, haven't seen it, go check it out. You want to know how to do that. Love this. I need to do this a bit more, like put this die cutting stuff in behind my photos. It just adds that little bit of extra creativity to it, and I like the layering that it produces. All right, so Scraplift Crafternoon. This one here was the whole kit and caboodle, layout number 2. Isn't it gorgeous? It's just stunning. I love it. A little bit of mixed media in the background. Some more chipboard coloured. Some fussy cutting happening here. Little birdie. Love the colours here. Got the blues and the peaches. This was a whole kit and caboodle. That was my layout number 2. I do like it. Got a little bit of gemstony happening here, which is great. And I just like that. That's how that one came. And then this one here was Mix It Up Monday. It was mixed media, of course. That's what we have to do for Mix It Up Monday. Tara challenges this, and we just need to get creative. We had a sketch. So I put in some stenciling here in the background. I've got some splatters, as you can see. I've got Nuvo drops happening here. Got Nuvo over the chipboard and the colouring here. I love it, love it, love it. I've got this paper here, this woven paper that looks like the rattan in the background here. Scrapbook Fantasy papers again. Perfect for another cruise photo. This was Mystery Island. Wasn't the water beautiful? Oh, stunning. Wait till you think that was good. Wait till you see some more photos. They are amazing, and it's just the paper colours that make it so great. So I did only get 3 done. How sad is that? I can't believe it. No, I actually did get one other one done, but it has gone into next week's roundup because I didn't post it until later. And that's because I had to go away and have a great weekend, didn't I? My girlfriend, her youngest, is getting married. And we went out to celebrate that great event over the weekend. We had a Bridgertonian theme. So we went Bridgerton. We all had to dress up. We all had to be part of it. So I'm going to give you a sneak peek of the fun that I had over the weekend. Hey, did I tell you? I actually got to shoot a gun. It's sure, it wasn't a real big gun. It was only a little slug gun, and we were only shooting cans. But for the first time ever, I'm picking up a gun and having a shoot. Not too bad. Shot one can, shot one through one can, and I missed the other one. But that's not bad. But my girlfriend, she's better. She got 3 out of 3. And it's funny because we have people who were there who are farmers and on the farm, and we also have trained military people that were there, and they couldn't even do it as well. So we had lots of fun. Here's the sneak peek of that weekend and future layouts. Imagine what they're going to be when I actually get around to developing the photos. Let me know in the comments down below. What one was your favourite one this week? And what do you think of the Bridgetonian weekend that I had? Hi everyone, here's my friend Di, and we're at our very Bridgetonian afternoon tea. It's been a wonderful event. We just shot for cans, didn't we?
And I got 3 cans.
She's a legend. What a shot. A wrap, everybody. I know it wasn't a great productive week creatively, but there was lots of planning and lots of forethought for the next ones to come. So stay tuned as we head into the next week. Give me a thumbs up if you love my video. Give me a thumbs up if you love the things that I shared with you that I've been up to this weekend. And once again, here's the beach. Isn't it just glorious? Have a great week, everybody. Stay creative, and I'll see you in the next video real soon. And here it is now. Go and check it out. Great to see you all once again.